I'm gonna show you how to make a quick Day of the Dead bread, pan de muerto. November 2nd is the Day of the Dead in Mexico. This beautiful tradition involves a lot of meaning in every single thing, and the ofrenda is the most important. On this one, they place the deceased favorite food, and the beloved ones eat the same that day. There is also bread of the dead. This is a bread shaped in circle, meaning the circle of life, and has bone shapes on top and in the middle a teardrop. Some regions make it with anise flavor and other ones with orange, coated with sugar or sesame seeds, but there is always skulls or bones shapes in this bread. Day of the Dead bread. If you live in a place where it's hard to find this bread or there is not a Mexican bakery, I thought this could work, and it works perfect. You will have it fresh out of the oven. So quick and easy. You're gonna need this, the French bread. The fun part, start. Wanna open for me?
No.
Okay. Okay, so we got this open. This dough comes already just ready to bake. So we're gonna roll it a little bit, but you don't wanna knead, Jose. Put some flour on the surface you're working. And then 1/4 of the dough. Cut the 1/4 in half. Set this aside. From this one, cut it in half. And then we start working with these ones. Try to make a round shape, kind of like that. Do the same with the other one. Okay, like that. With these ones, you want to make a strip. And cut it in half. Your fingers like that, press and roll. Stretch side to side, and then press the thin spaces. From this one, cut a little piece. There you go, a little bowl. Then with this one, press again, 3 fingers, like that. Then stretch, side to side. Like that. Parchment paper, a little bit of oil and spray on top, plastic wrap, and let it rest for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes or until golden brown. And now let it cool down. Then just brush it with butter or condensed milk. I'm making one of each. Coat it in sugar. And it's done.